Umemulo is a rite of passage that marks growth, maturity, and responsibility within Zulu culture. It is not a performance for entertainment, but a ceremonial process guided by elders, families, and the broader community. The reed dance, often associated with Umemulo, brings together young women from different regions to participate in a shared cultural expression rooted in history and identity. For generations, Umemulo has served as a way to pass cultural knowledge from elders to youth. It reinforces values such as respect for self and community, discipline and responsibility, cultural pride and identity. Long before modern institutions, traditions like Umemulo played a vital role in community structure and moral guidance. Some scenes in this documentary may feature traditional attire customary to Zulu heritage. This attire is non-sexual, non-provocative, and not intended to arouse or offend. Any exposure shown is cultural in nature and forms part of recognized indigenous tradition, symbolizing identity, unity, and ceremonial participation. Traditional dress in Umemulo is not decorative alone. It carries symbolic meaning, connecting participants to ancestry and heritage. Participation in Umemulo involves preparation, guidance, and structure. Elders provide instruction on conduct, responsibility, and cultural expectations. Dance practices are organized, repetitive, and disciplined, emphasizing unity rather than individuality. This process reflects the importance of community involvement in shaping identity. Dance within Umemulo is a form of cultural communication. Movements are rhythmic and symbolic, expressing collective identity, respect for tradition, physical and mental readiness. The dance is not improvised, it is learned, practiced, and performed as a group, reinforcing shared responsibility and cohesion. Beyond ceremony, Umemulo serves an educational role within society. It creates space for dialogue between generations and reinforces values that promote self-awareness, mutual respect, social accountability. In this way, cultural practices act as living institutions of knowledge. In today's rapidly changing world, traditions like Umemulo face challenges from globalization and misunderstanding. Documenting these practices helps ensure they are accurately represented, respected internationally, preserved for future generations. Cultural preservation does not mean resisting change. It means protecting meaning. This video is not intended for children and may not be suitable for all audiences. Parental guidance is advised for minors. By continuing to watch, viewers acknowledge the cultural significance, educational intent, and non-sexual context of the material presented. Respectful viewing is essential to meaningful cultural exchange. Umemulo is more than a ceremony. It is a living expression of history, identity, and continuity. By understanding and respecting cultural practices such as this, we contribute to a world where diversity is preserved, not erased. Thank you for engaging with this documentary in the spirit of learning and respect.